Park, Lai Cavite. And the rough early lead is taken by Mr. Integrity by the rail, Gypsy Gray on the outside, and Queen Alicia on the farther outside. It's Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Gypsy Gray, Keyboy on the outside, Queen Alicia, Red Ransom, and McKissick is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch, Mr. Integrity by Alain Canea, followed by Gypsy Gray by the rail in second, Keyboy on the outside in third, and closing in fourth is McKissick, Queen Alicia, and Red Ransom. Rounding the far turn, it's Mr. Integrity on the outside, Gypsy Gray by the rail in second, and in third is Keyboy. Running in fourth is McKissick, Queen Alicia, and Red Ransom. Mr. Integrity by Alain, followed by Keyboy on the outside in second, and moving up on the inside, the favorite Gypsy Gray, and closing in fourth is McKissick. And into the home stretch, it's Keyboy on the outside, followed by Mr. Integrity in between horses, Gypsy Gray moving up on the inside, and McKissick. Gypsy Gray by the rail, moving up on the outside is Keyboy. It's Gypsy Gray and Keyboy on the outside. It's still Gypsy Gray, followed by Keyboy on the outside. And finally, it's Gypsy Gray, Keyboy, Mr. Integrity, McKissick, Queen Alicia, and Red Ransom.
Okay, 3-4.